When people think of dairy brands, they think of packaging, advertising, and slogans. In reality, a dairy brand is a system that decides how milk is procured, how farmers are paid, how quality is controlled, how risk is absorbed. Welcome to Chapter 22, Major Dairy Brands in India. Dairy brands don't just sell milk, they shape farmer livelihoods. A brand determines price stability, payment cycles, demand predictability. For farmers, the brand they supply often matters more than market price headlines. Amul is not just a brand, it is a movement. Built on farmer ownership, Amul integrates millions of producers into one system. Its strength lies in cooperative governance, scale efficiency, national distribution. Amul's core idea is simple. Farmers must own the value chain. Amul proves that scale reduces volatility, collective power stabilizes prices, but it also shows that scale demands discipline. Governance matters as much as milk. Amul's success is institutional, not accidental. Nandini operates primarily within Karnataka. Instead of chasing national presence, it focuses on regional loyalty. Its strengths: deep local procurement, affordable pricing, strong consumer trust. Nandini shows that regional dominance can be more effective than national ambition. Aavin is the backbone of Tamil Nadu's milk ecosystem. It operates through cooperative societies, state-level coordination, extensive urban distribution. Aavin's role goes beyond profit. Farmer inclusion, milk affordability, nutritional access. It demonstrates how state-supported cooperatives can stabilize large, dense markets. Milky Mist represents a different philosophy. Instead of dominating fluid milk, it focuses on value-added products. Paneer, specialty dairy, and branding drive its margins. This model shows that specialization can outperform volume. Akshayakalpa targets a specific consumer segment. Its strengths: organic certification, traceability, direct farmer partnerships. It proves that transparency and trust can command premium pricing. But this model demands strict discipline and narrow market focus. Cooperative brands offer price stability, farmer ownership, scale resilience. Private brands offer agility, specialization, faster decision-making. Neither model is superior by default. Success depends on alignment between procurement, processing, and market. Disciplined execution. For farmers, choose brands that pay reliably. Value consistency over peak prices. For entrepreneurs, don't copy brands blindly. Understand why each brand works. A brand is not built by advertising. It is built by systems and trust. India's dairy brands reflect India's diversity. Cooperatives, private enterprises, regional and national players all coexist. What unites successful brands is not size, but alignment between farmers, processes, and markets. This concludes Chapter 22, Major Dairy Brands in India, from the Seechur Agro Scientific Dairy Farming Series. Next, we move into policy and public support. Chapter 23, Government Schemes. Supporting dairy farming in India, with clear disclaimers. Until then, brands succeed when systems are stronger than slogans.